Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As usual, I am back with some new interesting topic. Today I have new topic, that is data storytelling, which is very important in corporate world and all the job profiles. Never stop learning with Sandeep Bhuva. We will discuss what is data storytelling, steps of data storytelling, what data storytelling is all about, why it is so important, and what is important element in data storytelling. Then we will discuss data driven some of the tips. Finally, we will discuss key points in the data storytelling. What is the formal definition of data storytelling? So data storytelling is the practice of building a narrative around a set of data and visualization to convey the meaningful insights to your audience. Because audience is there, you just need to prepare your story. Let's discuss the steps of data storytelling. The first step is data. You have to have proper data to prepare the storytelling. The next step is to prepare a visualization based on the data. After preparing visualization, you need to prepare the insights based on that data. Now your story is ready and you can start with your storytelling to your audience. What is data storytelling is all about? So it is all about communicating your insights to the target audience effectively by voice of your data. There is one question maybe in your mind, why data storytelling is so much important. So first point, data storytelling turns the data from neutral fields in your database into opinion and insights so that you can take decision, we should go for plan A, plan B or plan C. And next, by elevating data culture across the organization, you are motivating your people to take the decision based on the data rather than the opinion or vague thought. You need to know what questions you want to answer and how you will answer them. That's it. This is most crucial aspects and the foremost element in data storytelling. Data storytelling tips. First is always start with a story idea. Once you have idea, then you can build your story around that idea. Next is check your facts and figures so that you can build story upon that. Next, focus on one or two key statistics from your research and analysis. Next, use visuals and tables rather than only figures. Next, make it human because your audience is human. So you need to create an emotional touch between your story, your speech and your audience. So you can make it live. Make it insightful and helpful to your audience so they can connect your data through storytelling. Now let's discuss some of the key points in data storytelling. First is trend. You need to identify some of the critical trends in your data, like last year versus this year, last month versus this month. Next is comparison. So you can compare your data by different categories and different aspects. Next, you need to build the relationship between your data and data facts so that you can correlate different kind of data sets to prepare your story. Next, at least you have to have some surprising data that you can share with your audience. Learning from the above aspects and build a story around these 4 key points. I hope now you have a better idea about storytelling. So please implement this at your workplace. Please like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification. Thank you for watching.